12 seconds later.
Let's try it out. Time for the taste test. Let's try it out. Oh man. Impossible. Like, that's the first word that comes to mind. How can this be 220 calories? Like, this is a pound at least. And it's the same calories as a freaking protein bar. There's more protein. It's unreal. You gotta try this out, yo. It's crazy. Man. This is 230 calories. It's basically a protein bar. It's a pound. Okay, it's a pound of food. It tastes so much better than a protein bar. Like, it doesn't even compare. It's ice cream, yo. There's more protein than in the protein bar too. Like, you can eat 2 of these in a meal. Good luck. Right? And you'd still be under 500 calories. Like, way under. So, I got you. Go try this out right now. You'll freaking love it. This is the ultimate diet hack protein ice cream. And this one just tastes amazing. If you like birthday cake, you'll love this. Yo. How? That doesn't make sense. Dude, that doesn't make sense. This is so good. Legit. Unreal. It takes forever to eat too. Which is a good thing. Because every bite tastes so good. Usually you taste some candy, you're like, oh, you take 2 bites of a protein bar and you're done. This, unbelievable. Wow. So good, but I'm so full right now. Man, you gotta try this. Like, it will change your life. Like, this is how game-changing this recipe is. Like, you try this once, you'll understand. This is more filling than fruits and vegetables. It's insane. It's unbelievable. It tastes so good too. It's like, it's a glitch in the matrix. Like, literally a diet hack, the biggest diet hack you can ever freaking find. So give this one a try. Let me know how you like it. Like this video, sub for more recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.